Today we're going to be discussing how Shiba Inu Coin is going to make you rich. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. Also, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago, so if you guys want to try out your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. Now, today, we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and a bunch of different pieces of news that are going to make us rich. Now, I know we are down, I believe, about 5% right now, but we'll discuss that more in the technical analysis and how all of that will work out. But really, let's get into the most important part of the video, which is going to be the news. So wealthy crypto traders are pouncing on Shiba Inu, Shib, and several additional altcoins as markets bounce back. So here we go. Some of the wealthiest crypto investors in existence are pouncing on meme coin Shiba Inu and 4 other altcoins as the digital asset markets show signs of strength. According to whale monitoring platform Whale Stats, Shiba Inu is back within the top 10 most purchased altcoins in the last 24 hours by the top 1,000 non-exchange Ethereum whales. The dog-themed meme coin, or crypto, is currently ranked 8th with an average purchase amount of $2,054. In addition, the largest Ethereum whales are also scooping up decentralized Oracle Network, Chainlink, Polygon, Phantom, and Uniswap. But yeah, you can see here on this tweet, just in, Shib is back on the top 10 purchased by the 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales. Shib's current price is up 9.6% in the last 24 hours to the 24 mark. Obviously, that was a couple days ago, so we aren't quite up at this point. We're down about 4% at this point. But yeah, one of the biggest altcoin buys in this week includes a purchase from Ethereum. The deep-pocketed investor recently bought 50 billion Shib worth about $1.2 million. So what does this all mean? Basically, whales are loading up on Shiba Inu Coin. What do I always say? Whenever the whales are loading up on Shiba Inu Coin, you need to be loading up on Shiba Inu Coin as well, because they're not just going to be putting $1.2 million in there unless they know something is coming. I personally think it could possibly be a Robinhood listing, but we'll discuss that more in a later video. But yeah, so the whales are loading up on Shib. That's really great to see. Let's move on to the next thing. So if you guys don't know, we do have something in the works called Shibarium. Shibarium is going to be a layer 2 Ethereum blockchain solution that could unlock Shib's value, according to this. So yeah, let's discuss this. They basically go over what Shib is and what they've done. Obviously, if you've watched any of our videos, you know exactly what they are. But Shiba Inu is working on a number of developments that could help increase its intrinsic value going into the future. One of the most anticipated is the launch of the metaverse, which could give Shiba Inu an entry into a $1 trillion market could potentially be. Shibarium is a potential long growth driver for Shiba Inu. For the last 2 years, Shiba Inu has mainly been riding on the excitement around meme coins. However, it is currently in the process of moving away from this and is adding actual utility to the coin. We all know there's actually utility on this coin at this point. There's a ton of stuff with Shiba Swap alone, the Doggy DAO, and many things to come as well. Shiba Inu already has utility, but we are adding a ton more. This is true. This is a big deal considering Shiba Inu is already recording significant growth in adoption, even by major corporations like AMC. With a layer 2 solution in the works, Shib could be a great investment in 2022. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to go over. Is Shibarium could really be a way to unlock a ton of value with Shiba Inu Coin and potentially grow us to that 1 cent mark in the future if we get the right burns in place. But obviously that's not what this video is about. This video is about news and what could make us rich. And the last thing I want to go over is going to be Shib Army ranked amongst the top 5 most active crypto communities on Twitter. So, Shiba Inu is undoubtedly one of the most talked about meme coins on the planet. A major reason for Shib being a talking point in the crypto circles is the active and loyal community. Obviously, you guys all kill it with the support. Obviously, our views are a bit down from the highs that we have seen. However, you guys still show an enormous amount of love, and we are so appreciative for that. But the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter this week were obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XTZ, take, and then Shiba Inu Coin was the 5th. So if we take a look at this tweet, you can see that Shiba Inu Coin was the 5th most mentioned coin on Twitter this week. Obviously, we're down about 12%, so the fact that we are able to still be one of the most mentioned coins is extremely awesome to see. But yeah, I would also like to mention, guys, make sure that you guys follow our Twitter. We put out bangers on, we're trying to get to 1,000 followers by the end of February. Obviously, that's tomorrow, so if you guys could help us out with that, that'd be awesome. We put out some bangers. We put out Shiba Inu's technical scores just a day ago. It was sitting at slightly bullish at 66. So if you guys want to get some like updated Shib news as well as crypto news, go ahead and follow us on there. And also check out our recent top 3 cryptos to buy in March 2022. We did some really awesome stuff there. But anyways, let's go on to the global crypto market. So the global crypto market should be right here. We are down about 2.3%. Obviously, we aren't doing as well as when we were seeing those massive gains in the past couple of days. But Ethereum is down 6%, but it is up a ton from where it was earlier this week. We actually issued a buy alert in our private Discord at about the 2,375 level, which is all the way down here, and we eventually hit all the way at the 2,800 level. So even though Russia kind of screwed us right there for a minute, we have now kind of bounced back, even though we're kind of on a pretty big downtrend right now. But Shiba Inu is what we're here to talk about. So Shiba Inu Coin down about 4.5%. The volume is still above $1 billion, which is down 9% from yesterday, but it's still above $1 billion, which is really what matters here. The market cap's sitting at about $13 billion. If you check historical data, you can see we're doing well over $1 billion, and we haven't gone below the $1 billion mark since February 19th. And I would expect that trend to continue. And if we check the holders, we have still been on a steady upward trend in terms of how many people are holding Shiba Inu Coin for the past 7 days. So even with the whole Russia thing happening, we're still adding holders there, which is great to see. But now let's go into the technical analysis here. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is trading between these support and resistance lines at about the 23 level and then the 28. Now you might be saying, hey, Zach, we dipped below that support. Shouldn't we have a new support somewhere down here? I don't really count what happened in Russia with the whole Russia thing into my technical analysis, just because this would have never happened if Russia didn't happen. Since we have recovered from that, I believe we're going to have our support here at the 23, and then we're going to be trading between the 23 support and the 28 resistance. Currently, we have been on a bit of a downtrend over the past couple of hours, and we are trending down on the MACD, but I don't see us breaking the support at the 23 today. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. But yeah, make sure you guys get signed up to the first link in the description. Deposit $1, you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try out your luck there with the first link in the description. Also, get signed up to our private Discord if you haven't already. We're putting out bangers on there, buying sellers every single day, as well as first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. So if that's something you might be interested in, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description for one-on-one interactions with both me and Kyle. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That's pretty much going to be it for this one. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.